prioritizing improvements in sprint retrospectives. This is important. In a sprint retrospective, it's not uncommon for teams to identify multiple areas that can be improved. That's okay. While it's exciting to have a wealth of growth opportunities, it's crucial to approach these improvements strategically and avoid the trap of trying to tackle everything at once. Now, here are some advice on how to handle multiple improvement ideas and prioritize them effectively. So limit the number of focus areas. To avoid spreading the team's resources and attention too thin, limit the number of improvements areas to focus on a given sprint. Select 1, 2, or maybe 3 key areas to prioritize. Allows the team to dedicate sufficient time and effort to make meaningful progress. Okay? So consider urgency and dependencies. Take into account any urgent issues or dependencies that may need immediate attention. If there are critical problems that are affecting the team's performance or hindering progress, prioritize those improvements that addresses these issues first. To do that, evaluate impact and effort. Address each improvement idea based on its potential impact on the team's productivity, efficiency, or overall success. Consider the effort required to implement the improvement as well, because this evaluation will help you understand which improvements might have the most significant positive effect with reasonable effort. And of course, start with low-hanging fruit. So look for improvement ideas that require minimal effort but yield noticeable results. By addressing these low-hanging fruit first, the team can experience quick wins and build momentum for further improvements. Involve the team in prioritization. Facilitate a collaborative discussion where the team collectively ranks and prioritizes the improvement ideas. Encourage team members to share their perspectives and insights. This ensures that the prioritization process is transparent and inclusive, fostering a sense of ownership and commitment among team members. And based on all this, create an improved backlog. So as the team identifies improvement areas during the retrospective, capture them in improved backlog. This serves as a repository for all these ideas and allows the team to have visibility into the potential improvements. And I have first-hand experience that neglecting sprint retrospectives can lead to negative consequences, impeding your team's growth and success. So by skipping these valuable opportunities for improvement, you miss the chance to address issues, optimize performance, and deliver high-quality outcomes. Without retrospectives, team alignment, communication, and learning suffer, leading to stagnation and the repetition of mistakes. On the other hand, actively participating in sprint retrospectives unlocks the potential for continuous improvement, personal growth, and team success. So creating a blameless and inclusive environment, encouraging participation, balancing feedback, and taking action on identified improvements are essential steps.